Ever felt like your finances are a runaway train? You know you should be saving, you should be budgeting, but life just gets in the way. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop out of nowhere, and before you know it, you are wondering where all your money went. That's where budgeting apps like Emma come in, promising to be your financial co-pilot, helping you track spending, set budgets, and even find potential savings. But there's a catch, isn't there? To get the full benefit, these apps need access to your bank accounts. And that raises a big, valid question. Is it safe to connect my bank accounts to Emma? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down how Emma works, the security measures they have in place, the potential risks involved, and ultimately help you decide whether connecting your accounts is the right move for you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Emma? In a nutshell, it's a personal finance management app designed to simplify budgeting and help you gain control of your finances. It does this by connecting to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions, pulling in your transaction data, and categorizing your spending. This gives you a clear overview of where your money is going each month. Emma offers features like spending analysis, budget setting, subscription tracking, and even alerts for things like overdraft fees or unusual transactions. It's like having a financial assistant in your pocket, constantly monitoring your finances and offering helpful insights. But here's the key point, all of this hinges on Emma having access to your financial data. And this is where the safety concerns arise. Understandably, people are hesitant to give any third-party app access to such sensitive information. So, how does Emma actually access your bank accounts? It's important to understand that Emma doesn't directly store your bank login details. Instead, it uses something called open banking, or in some regions, it uses secure APIs, application programming interfaces, provided by your bank. Open banking is a regulated system that allows third-party apps, like Emma, to access your financial data securely with your explicit consent. It works through a token system. When you connect your bank account to Emma, you are redirected to your bank's secure website or app. You then authorize Emma to access specific information, like transaction history and account balances. Your bank then issues a secure token to Emma, which allows it to retrieve this data. This means Emma never actually sees or stores your login credentials. The connection is established and maintained through these secure tokens, which can be revoked at any time. This is a crucial security measure that significantly reduces the risk of your login details being compromised. Now, let's talk about the specific security measures Emma has in place. They use bank-level encryption to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This means your information is scrambled and unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. They are also regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, which imposes strict rules on how financial data is handled. Emma also undergoes regular security audits and penetration testing to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. They have dedicated security teams constantly monitoring their systems for suspicious activity. They also offer features like two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. But even with all these security measures in place, it's important to acknowledge that there are still potential risks involved. No system is completely impenetrable. Data breaches can and do happen, although they are rare with regulated financial services. One of the biggest risks is phishing. This is where scammers try to trick you into revealing your login details by posing as a legitimate company like Emma or your bank. It's crucial to be vigilant and never click on suspicious links or share your login details with anyone. Always access Emma and your bank's website directly through your browser. Another potential risk, although less likely with open banking, is the possibility of a vulnerability in the API itself. While these APIs are generally very secure, there's always a small chance of a flaw being discovered. However, banks and regulators are constantly working to improve the security of these systems. So, is it safe to connect your bank accounts to Emma? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. Emma takes security very seriously and employs a range of measures to protect your data. The use of open banking and secure APIs significantly reduces the risk of your login details being compromised. However, no system is completely risk-free. There's always a small chance of a data breach or phishing attack. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and take precautions to protect yourself, such as being vigilant against phishing scams and using strong, unique passwords. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to connect your bank accounts to Emma is a personal one. You need to weigh the potential benefits of using the app against the potential risks involved. If you're comfortable with the security measures Emma has in place and understand the potential risks, then connecting your accounts can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. If you're still unsure, you can start by connecting only 1 or 2 accounts to test the app and see how it works. You can also research other budgeting apps and compare their security features. It's important to do your due diligence and choose a solution that you feel comfortable with. Remember, you are always in control. You can revoke Emma's access to your accounts at any time through your bank's website or app. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you can easily disconnect the app if you have any concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.